Hello guys, so let's start. So before I start, you should know that I have qualified GATE exam aerospace exam 5 times. So whatever I have earned as experience, everything you can use if you are taking my course. Now see guys, because we are talking about the study material of aerospace engineering, so GATE aerospace study material and whatever I am going to provide from my side as a institute. So you see, whatever because I have written everything in the beginning so that I should not miss any point. So when I teach that time I don't miss any point, but all these business things, so that's why I have taken down earlier what you have to achieve from concept library, what you have to get from concept library. So I actually provide you the regular classes online. It's like we have a fixed time in that students are joining me on Zoom app, and I am teaching them, and that is I say them as a live class. And video courses is available. What is mean? Whatever I teach in the class, this everything I record in the video, and those videos will be available for you next day after the class. So basically we have 3 days in a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday we are taking the classes, and timing is 8:30 to 11. See, I am taking class, I myself is forgetting the timing. So okay, the timing is 8:30 to 11 all the 3 days night. And you see now, video courses is available. It means whatever I am going to teach, everything will be recorded and that will be available for you. So the same video course will be available for those students who are not able to join my live class and they want to purchase my video course. So you can purchase subject wide video courses also, and the entire package also. And of course, if you are purchasing the entire package, you are going to get sufficient amount of discount. And we have online test series as well. So of course, my regular students are solving test series, and you will also, if you are purchasing video course, then test series is not into that. I mean, you have to purchase the test series separately, but if you will purchase all the video course and test series together, then you will be getting amazing discount on that. And assignment topic wise, what does it mean? Like suppose whatever topic I am teaching, and already one assignment video I have uploaded on YouTube, so that link again I will paste here in the description. You can watch like what kind of assignment I give to my students, and again after for every assignment video solutions are available. Some, like for the first few assignments I did not prepare the solution, but I will prepare them also and I will upload. And now I have started, like in my mock test series, for every question the solution is written and every solution is different. But now I am starting that the entire test series I am converting into the video solution also, so that it will be helpful for the students. Extra numerical for extra practice. See, whatever we are discussing in the classroom and whatever is there in the test series, that itself is kind of like, you can consider like for the entire chapter it comes as 50 to 70 problems. If you consider the entire chapter, then every test series and classroom numericals and classroom problems, if you combine, and after that extra numericals for extra practice. See, when you are joining me, of course I am teaching all these things, but some students are asking some extra extra practice, like they are free and they ask, sir, I want to practice extra numericals in my free time. So in that case you don't have to bother about from which book, from blah blah things. I will guide you, and from authentic sources you can practice those numericals and those examples, only whatever I am telling you to solve. Because if you will sit and solve the entire book for any particular thing, of course you are going to learn a lot, but it should be related to the GATE exam. Okay, so if you are solving under my guidance, it will be helpful for you. So and everything is like, if you are joining me as a regular, if you're joining me as a as my regular student, then all the facilities will be for you, and of course a doubt class also. What I have written here, okay, free crash course for our online regular batch students. Means when I am whoever is joining me as a regular student, so by November mid or November end, you can, if like if there is no medical emergency, then November first week itself the syllabus may get over. But in case if I am taking any leave for a week or some festival or something, anyway I don't take any leave or something. Every week I take the class properly. But in case if there is any emergency, then our syllabus may because already the batches are running, right, so their syllabus will get over. You can expect November mid, you can expect on average. So after November mid, we start crash course program also, like every year, right? If you have seen my previous year crash course program, videos are already there. So that crash course program I will start in December first week. Date is not decided yet. Actually I can see this green color is not coming properly because I'm using filter. Okay, and so the crash course program is actually for those students who are not joining coachings, who are doing self-study or who didn't find the time. And in December first week the crash course will be around 40 days and will be doing things as a crash course. So for my students crash course will be free, and if you are purchasing the video course, then for you also crash course discount will be there. And I have written something, most important thing, your doubts. Yeah, actually I give a separate dedicated time for the doubt purpose. That is like, suppose 8:30 to 11 I have the class schedule, so 8 to 8:30 I will be having doubt session. If you have doubt, you can come before half an hour on the meeting, Zoom meeting, and after 11 o'clock also you can you can stay in the meeting and you can ask your doubts. And mostly students they don't have so much doubt, because in class itself I teach amazingly, you will not be having so much doubt. But of course in some numerical, if you get stuck or something, always welcome for the doubts. Our online class atmosphere. Okay, I want to say that how I teach in my online classes. So see, I teach from very basic, very basic. Like if you are interested, I can tag you in some 1 or 2 videos of my subject, so that you can watch them and you can judge in what way I am teaching. Or you can also ask for free demo class, because demo class is very important. If you will not go through demo class, how will you judge the teacher? And anyway, if this video you are able to understand, in same way I teach. And you can see I have written here our test series. Actually it should be our test series. So our test series contain topic wise test, chapter wise test, subject wise test, revision test, and full length test. Actually topic wise test series means currently whatever topic is going on, once this topic will get over, and once you solve all the assignment problem and PDF problem and everything, then you are ready to take the test series of the particular topic. It will be saved in your profile. All the test series will be saved in your profile. Whenever you are free, you can take the test. It's not like today, for example, what is the date today? 25 June. So it's not like if 25 June we are finishing any topic, then 25 June itself you have to take the test. No, it is there on your profile. Whenever you find time, you can. Okay. And I am lagging. I have to prepare 4 test series that is in pending, so I have to make up that. So I will complete that. Next, chapter wise test series means when you complete the entire chapter, then like topics over, so then you will be having a test series which will be the mixed question. Like then I have freedom to put question from any topic. And the more important thing, every test series will contain different question. Any question will not be same, and any question will not be gate question, because gate question test series is entirely different. You can see here I have written gate previous year original test series. Okay. And then like from 2007 to 2021, and of course in every year I will keep on adding them. So that test series you will solve separately. That is not my test series, that is gate test series. It's like I will just give you the platform where you can practice those questions again. And okay, subject wise test series, it means once the, like for example currently aircraft structure is going on, propulsion got over. So if like this test, whenever subject will get over, you'll be getting the subject wise test series. And then revision test series, it means revision test series, like when we revise things. You can also consider crash course test series. And then we have full length test series. Full length test series means the mock paper, whatever I am going to teach completely. Then you have to give the test, the mock test of the full, like currently they are asking 65 questions, right? So all the 65 questions test series will be there. So I have not planned yet, but you can consider test series like around 20 test series will be there, full length test series, like 20 test series, and if I get time I will increase to 25, something like that. And test series, anyway, the full length test series we are going to solve in January month, so I have sufficient time. I may increase to 25 also. Okay. So now they all contain different, done, I explained. Like all the test series contains different problem. Actually I have written in advance so that I should not forget all the points. Solution is available, okay, in the video formats, okay, fine. our video courses, whenever we discuss in class, everything will be available in, okay, it means whatever I'm teaching in the class, that will be available in the video format. So in case if you are missing any class, or your device is not working, or your internet is not working, so you should have that right in the backup. So earlier I was not recording the lectures, but I felt that no, recording is very, very important. So some of my students, they were saying, sir, please record the video, please record the video. But I was feeling so lazy and uncomfortable to record the video. Seriously, I'm very lazy. But then I realized, no, recording should be available. And now it is business wise also, it is beneficial, like the same video I'm about to sell. So yeah, so recording. So now I'm in the favor of recording. So now doubt sessions. As I said, like 8:30 to 11, and 8 to 8:30 you have doubt session, then after 11 again you have doubt session. After 11 you have lot of time, whatever you want to discuss, you discuss. I am free. So yeah, extra numericals I explained. I mean, you don't have to, what I have written here, you don't have to bother about which book or which question to solve, because already I am giving some numericals in the class and test series is there. But after that also I am giving some like I cannot say, it will be copyright in the video, so that's why I cannot say some, yeah, you understand, right, the business strategy. Okay, so I will give study material and guidance about books and numericals to practice other than class practice. Okay, I hope you got. Number of numericals, here it is very important point, like students are asking, sir, how many numericals will be there in your test series? Guys, see, if I want, I can make 100 numericals in one test series. Okay, but what matters, number of questions will not matter, quality matters. I have to upload a test series on principal stress and strain. If I want, I can just copy the questions from different sources, and I can just change the data and digits, and I can make as a my question, I can upload. But no, already students are practicing those questions. So if you will practice the same question on my website with just changing the data, they will not they will not have a good practice. Seriously, I'm saying, if you will visit my test series, and if you will open any test series after purchase, then you will understand, okay, what you just see my assignment, man. You just I will put in the link description. You just see my assignment, like what level of questions I am giving in my test series. So my test series contains quality full questions. Anyway, you are going to have total, if you include test series also, classroom program also, and assignment also. So it is based on how lengthy chapter is, how many topics it contains. So like you can consider 80 to 100 questions will be there, including test series and classroom program, everything. So in a particular chapter, if you are solving 80 to 100 very good questions, then of course you are in. I mean, you got all the ideas about the topic, about the chapter. So just I'll read this. Already we learned the topic in class. There we solve related questions, then PDFs, then assignment, and then topic wise test series. So you can consider 80 to 100 questions numericals in particular chapter. Keep in mind, number of questions should not be your focus. I'm only writing this, and I'm only not able to read this properly, so I have to improve my handwriting. Quality of questions matter. Yes, man. In my test series, one question is equal to 5 excellent concepts, 3 excellent. Yeah, it's like, it is about the quality of the question. One question, if you want to solve in my test series, you should have the broad idea about the particular topic. I can split the topic, and I can make 100 questions in one topic, but I'm not in favor of that. I prepare test series, like, see, I have to prepare test series. I have test series 7, topic wise test series, and the topic is principal stress. On that, I have to add 3 more questions, and from 2 days I am struggling to add the questions, because I add the question, I delete the question, I add the question, I delete the question, until and unless I don't feel that, okay, this particular question is excellent. I don't, because it is my test series. When it will go to the students should feel that yes, I am solving something, and my intention is students should not be able to crack the question. At the same time, I have to maintain the gate level, okay, the gate standard. It should be not be like that. I am putting that Olympic exam kind of level questions. No, it's not like that. In gate itself, I just twist the question so my test series is amazing. Now see, one thing I want to say you, like some students came to me last year, and they said, sir, I have purchased the video course from particular coaching center, and they are just selling the NPTEL courses. Can you believe this fraud? There are some coaching centers, they are, I don't want to take that their names because of illegal and legal things. So be aware of those kind of people, like if they are not preparing their own video courses and just NPTEL lectures they are clubbing and they are giving you their link on their website and they are saying it is the video course and they are selling in some small amount. Okay, so you should have the you should always have the sample. Okay, and my samples, you can see everything is all the clips from the every video from the every class I upload on YouTube, so you don't have to bother about that. Only thing is I don't upload the screenshots of test series, but because that is test series. I will suggest you to join live class. Yeah, I will suggest you to join live class because my live class fees is not so much. Currently, I am charging 20,000 rupees for all these things, for everything, including free crash course. Okay, so my fees is not high, easily affordable, and I can give you relaxation as well. Like there are some students, they say, sir, I want to pay in installments. Of course, okay, fine. And but at the same time, some students are, what to say, free demo class I don't advertise in Google Ads because I charge very less fees. Yeah, I don't advertise in Google Pay because I don't charge some 35k or 45k test classes. Okay, so YouTube is a good source for advertisement also and to reach to the people also. I give lot of materials and support. Yeah, of course I give. You can also see my last topper of 2021 GATE Aerospace. Paper were tough, but it's okay. I gave topper 22 rank and some other toppers are there, but I have taken the interview only for the main topper of my coaching, that is 22 rank. Mahesh Negi, I hope you have seen the video. If not, you can go to the description and you can watch the video. The interview I have taken in Hindi language. It's not in English. So if you don't understand Hindi, just avoid. So purchase full course, get discount. Individual course will be of different course. I mean, if you just want to purchase aircraft structure, aircraft propulsion, something, then individual courses will be of different cost. But if you want to purchase the entire video course, then of course it is going to be discountable. I teach all the subjects including core and general aptitude. Yes, in that we'll be having all the subjects. I'll read that I have taken down. You can watch small clips in different playlist. Like I said, from every class I record small clips for YouTube and I upload that on YouTube. So you can see the way I am teaching. You can just go through my playlist and the live class clips are there. You can also see my description. All the important video links are there. Okay, subject I take. So I take structure, propulsion, aerodynamics, flight mechanics, rocket propulsion, space dynamics, engineering mathematics, and after that English and aptitude. So you know, in GATE exam you have two sections, section A and section B. In section A you have 15 questions and in section B you have remaining 50 questions. So in section A you have English and aptitude and in section B you have engineering and mathematics and other core subjects including rocket propulsion and space dynamics. As per current syllabus of GATE Aerospace 2022, I will teach everything. Now understand one more thing, guys. If you are doing aeronautical engineering, you should not confuse aeronautical with aerospace. In aerospace engineering, there is subject called space dynamics. In aeronautical engineering, I think there is no space dynamics. So for the space dynamics, definitely you need coaching. So if you want to purchase only the course about space dynamics, you can purchase the course about space dynamics. Space dynamics course I sell only in very less price. I cannot reveal price here because of business details. Okay. My next video will be about future after crack. Oh, sorry. I mean, my next video will be about some students are asking, like when they call me for the admission purpose, that time itself they ask, sir, if I clear GATE exam, if I go to IIT, what will be my future? There's something. So it has so many options. So particularly, I myself, I don't believe in the word called opportunity. If you are a good engineer, or if you have a skill, you don't have to bother about your career. And GATE is excellent and toughest exam, one of the toughest exam in the India. So if you are cracking GATE exam and if you are going to IIT, IIT is the best platform in India. And more than that, you yourself is the best personality in India. Okay, so you don't have to bother about GATE or IIT or something. They are just platforms. Okay, they are not magic. Okay, you can contact me on this number 6380135260 and +91 is India code. I'm an Indian. And My name is Vikas Kumar Srivastava, and you can call me Viru sir. I take classes on Zoom app. Currently, I am not running my offline centers. Actually, I was running in offline centers in Chennai, but because of COVID, no offline centers. Don't contact to some other number if they claim that they are from Concept Library. I got to this issue. Someone said that I am Concept Library faculty, and you can pay on my account or something. So you just my only one number I'm using. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number, and you can have one more thing. There are so many people using my logo in their WhatsApp DP. Okay, so use only my number and check my logo there, and okay, fine. That's all from my side. Thank you so much. I hope you'll contact me.